Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello all, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I am Pallavi and to solve all your tiffin worries, we are here to give you a new recipe for every single school day. So today we are going to make a Mexican salsa salad. Believe me, this is one salad which no kid can say no to. So let's start and make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So start making our Mexican salsa salad. We have some lettuce, we'll just tear it down roughly. And now we'll add some boiled rajma, some roasted bell peppers, some boiled sweet corn, and chopped spring onion greens, some poppy seeds, yani ki khaskhas. And now we'll add our favorite Kissan Mexican Salsa. You know, I absolutely love Kissan Mexican Salsa because it's a very wonderful way of enjoying that international Mexican flavors with absolutely no efforts. Now we'll just give it a good mix. It's looking so beautiful, yellow, red, green, a little bit of salt and pinch of pepper. Let's give it a good mix. And our beautiful Mexican salsa salad is absolutely ready. Let's pack our tiffin box. Now some watermelon, some nachos. So there you go. A perfect, beautiful Mexican salsa salad is ready for your kids' tiffin box. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do subscribe to India Food Network and I will be back soon to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.